I keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front, wait till you see it from the back. Back, 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 juicy. Back, back, yeah. Back, 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 juicy. Back, back.
Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri Live. As y'all know, I'm about to just show y'all, well, just to do this little tutorial on my updated eyebrow routine. So what I did is I already plucked my eyebrows, as you can see. I plucked. Let me tell y'all, I used that thing, Flawless Brows, that they said was supposed to be like exclusive, like pretty much work for you. Flawless Brows did not work for me, and I paid $15 for it in the store, and they charging more for it online because it's online only, but I found it in the store, so I'm confused. But let me just say, it don't give you flawless brows. Let me just say that. And I'm just gonna go over my face, go over that part with some alcohol just to clean it up, sterilize it. This cute little bottle I got from Dollar Tree, pump bottle. But everything I use will be in the description box below, so don't worry. I try my best to put everything in the description box for you guys. Woo. Feels so good. I'm gonna start with my eye pencil.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely seen the double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the pink slip, my whip is keyless. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, light up the seat. Forgetting out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so got.
I'm just checking to see if it's even. So this is how I check. Cause I'm so weird. Like I have to have my eyebrows like matching. Like if I look up and I see that my arches are like McDonald's, you on point. So if I'm looking in the mirror or my phone, like on Snapchat or something, I'm just like looking to see if these two are matching. Like when I look up and I'm like, oh, okay, it's on point. So that's what I like. Everybody's different, so. Okay, that's good. So now I'm finna move on to the next step. Okay, so I'm gonna use my 3D contour artist palette in cream. As you can see, I use it. but I'm just gonna do a different routine, not what I usually do, the regular one color. I'm gonna do something different technique that I saw, so bear with me. I'm gonna use two colors. This color and this color is what I'm gonna use, bottom and top. So start with the bottom.
Cash out, told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash, I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that, and I really wanna know where you at, where? I've been moving them out, and steal it with me, then he got the blues in the pouch. Took her to the forest, put the wood in her mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I never wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made her roll it plain like a landing strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a crit. Shawty call me Chris Cole, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud, there's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I had a job, South Street wealthy. Yeah, out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where? Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting out.
And I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush. This is like my blending brow brush, my go-to.
All the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul. And I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where? I was at back, where the stash at? Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac. Cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water. I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely seen the double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the pink slip, my whip is keyless. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, light up, see. Forgetting out the coupe at the lot. Told him fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash out. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash. I won't never sell my soul.
I just take my spoolie again and just go through it just so I can have my natural hair sticking out so it looks as natural as possible. I like to have some of mine pushed up to the front because this is my real hair. So
oh, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where? I've been moving them out, and steal it with me, then he got the blues in the pouch. Took her to the forest, put the wood in her mouth. Bitch, don't wear no shoes in my house. The private I'm flying in, I never wanna fly again. I take my chances in traffic. She sucking on dick, no hands with it. I just made her roll it plain like a landing strip. I'm a 2020 president candidate. I done put 100 bands on Zimmerman shit. I been moving real gangster, so that's why she pick a crit. Shawty call me Chris Cole, cause I pop my shit. Got it out the mud, there's nothing you can tell me. Yeah, when I
I like them to look as natural as possible. Fit me.
South Street wealthy. Yeah, out the coupe at the lot. Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals. We been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so. Got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no. Say slash slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where?
So I'm not looking too flaky on the earrings. Okay, so if you guys like this video, this mini video, eyebrow, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe. It was just a fast routine. I'm gonna show y'all. Only thing I'm missing is some lashes. But that's natural enough for me, y'all. So make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with me. And tune in. It's Riri Live.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot. Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box. Had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal. I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deal.